Saying goodbye to this beautiful spot here at a Susan Creek campground in Umpqua National Forest in Oregon. We did use our generator for the first time on the trip. I've got the side panel off just to help it cool off. And so one of the cool things about this generator is it runs off of gasoline or propane, but the modification I made to try and run it off of our low flow or low pressure propane didn't seem to work. So we had to go buy a gas can and some gasoline because this beautiful spot has so much shade, so we couldn't get any barely any solar charge. So we had to use the old generator to top off the batteries so that we could continue to use pretty much everything in the camper except for the air conditioner, which it's nice and cool here this morning. It is Friday morning, day 129, I believe. It's so hard for me to keep track because I'm always editing the video from the day before and just the numbers get mixed up. But we are headed to California today. We are camping in Crescent City, which is right up north near Redwood Forest. So we're going to camp there tonight and tomorrow night. So in between those two nights, tomorrow during the day, we will sneak into Redwoods National Forest and explore that. So we're headed out. Right, Hank?
Yep.
We are about to hitch up. We are about to get out of here. It's been a great spot. It's been nice to not move for a few days. I think we stayed here 3 nights thanks to the mix-up with the spots and everything. So, really cool. Excited to get out of here.
When it finds the sea, there's no way over it below its sources in the Etten Moors, except by the last bridge on which the road crosses. What is that other river we can see far away there? We shall be fortunate indeed if we don't find the last bridge held against us. Next day, early in the morning, they went forward, but they found no sign of any travellers or riders. Here, under the shadow of the hills, there had been some rain. Strider judged that it had fallen 2 days before and had washed away all footprints side of the road while he went forward to explore. Before long, he came hurrying back. "I can see no signs of the enemy," he said, "and I wonder very much what that means. But I found something very strange." He held out his hand and showed a single pale green jewel. "I found it in the mud in the middle of the bridge," he said. "Whether it was set there or let fall by chance, I can't say, but it brings hope to me. I'll take it as a sign when at last they reached the top. They had climbed onto a narrow saddle between 2 higher points, and the land fell steeply away again, only a short distance ahead. Frodo threw himself down and lay on the ground shivering. His left arm was lifeless.
Oregon thanks you. Come back soon. I don't know. I wasn't in love with Oregon, gotta be honest.
It's pretty,
But the smoke is definitely...
smoky. Yeah, I think that's definitely tainting our...
Yeah.
Oh my
The
gosh.
tinged impression.
People see them.
Here we go.
This windshield is insane. And it was clean this morning.
Wow.
There it is.
Welcome to California.
Hey!
Whoa, there's even like confetti.
We made it.
California.
Passing lane in 2 miles. Alright, they don't want me to...
Yeah, like trash can. Oh, could you please?
Nope. I'm videotaping the redwoods, baby. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. Look at that one.
They are enormous.
It's so...
We made it to California. We're here. We drove through part of the redwood forest to get to our campsite, and we are on well, we're on a bay, I guess. We're in Crescent City, and we made it. Really feels like we made it all the way to the Pacific now. So I guess if it's a bay, I guess it's not technically not the Pacific. But I like our spot. I like these tall hedges right here on the side of our thing, and we're 15 minutes from Redwood Forest. Pretty cool. California. We made it.
The sand is so cold.
Can I take off my shoes?
Yeah.
The sand is cold. I can feel it.
Oh, that feels really nice.
The sand is so cold.
The sand feels so good, guys. It's so cold, but definitely not.
Moody Pacific Ocean.
It smells bad. Doesn't smell great. Does it smell driftwood? I mean, where is it wood?
Ellie, you're just leaving your shoes? Remember the last time you went? Ellie, she just wants to see many pairs of shoes. You gotta have any
Ella.
big man.
Ella touching the Pacific Ocean.
I don't know.
There it is, Ella. You did it. How cold is it?
I felt it. It's no colder than the rivers we've been getting in.
Slowly become
Colder?
Yeah.
less cold. It's like, oh, what is this?
It's not.
It's not the Atlantic, and it's not glacier. Yeah. Can we go to the water?
It's not that far. It is fog, not wildfire smoke.
Oh, I know, which is awesome. But it looked, you can like barely see any cars right there. It's crazy.
It's so foggy.
How is it, Hank?
Cold?
Good thing you're wearing high waters.
You really planned that out well.
Good job surviving 5 minutes.
I believe it. That's alright. Let's head back.
Ella, get your shoes.